Hi, it's Dawn from Create28 and Creating with Confidence. I just wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about my own journey towards creativity. About 30 years ago, I was teaching computers and I told somebody, I don't have a creative bone in my body. And she said, paint purple trees. And I thought, what in the world? And she said, yeah, paint purple trees. They don't look like trees, and you won't worry about messing them up. Well, 30 years later, that stuck with me. About 5 years after that, my sister-in-law invited me over to her house for Stampin' Up. My brother said, don't invite her. She doesn't do anything fun or creative. Well, I went, and that was the gateway drug to everything else. So just a warning there. But that was a little over 25 years ago. And that's what started me into creating. Not that I really love stamping. I did. I thought it was loads of fun. But that got me into stained glass and bead making and jewelry making and macramé and about everything else. And eventually YouTube came along and whoa, my whole world exploded. So think of yourself not as somebody who doesn't have a creative bone in her body, but as somebody who hasn't found that creative bone in your body yet. Try different things. Be willing to fail, be willing to experiment, and don't take yourself so seriously. You never know what you might come up with. So 30 years later, you can see what I've done. I hope you'll join me as I work through some experiments and show some things to you. And I hope you'll enjoy my Creating with Confidence channel on YouTube. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you and working with you. Bye.